Without self-belief, life is like a boat floating on a river, moving without a clear path or goal. No matter how smart you are, if fear and shyness control your actions, you'll never reach what you're truly capable of. Many people go through life quietly, too scared to speak, too scared to fail, and too scared to be seen. So stay with us till the end, because this story might be the turning point you've been waiting for. Once upon a time, in a quiet coastal town, there lived a hard-working man named Robert. His family had run a small salt business for generations. It wasn't big, but it was honest work, something he was proud of. Robert lived with his wife and 2 sons. His older son, Ethan, was shy and quiet, while his younger son, Noah, was confident and outgoing. People often misunderstood Ethan's silence as weakness. Some even took advantage of his kindness, but he never complained. Robert dreamed of passing down the family business to Ethan, but he often grew frustrated with his son's timid nature. Sometimes, he spoke too harshly, not realizing his words were breaking Ethan's confidence little by little. When Ethan finished school, his father asked him to help manage the salt warehouse. Though nervous, Ethan agreed. But each time he talked to customers, his voice shook and he made small mistakes. This made Robert even more upset. One afternoon, while Robert was out on a delivery, 2 men came to the warehouse pretending to be from the distributor. They said, "Your dad told us to pick up all the salt sacks for shipping." Ethan hesitated, but he didn't have the courage to question them. Before he realized it, the truck was gone, and so was all the salt. When Robert came back and saw the warehouse empty, his heart sank. That salt wasn't just business, it was their family's pride. Angry and heartbroken, he shouted, "Ethan, you just lost everything we worked for. Get out. Don't ever come back." Crushed by his father's words, Ethan felt completely broken. The anger, the shame, and his own helplessness made him believe he was truly worthless. As the sun went down, he walked toward the beach, tears falling with every step. He whispered, "There's no point in living anymore. I'll always be a failure." Just as he stepped near the water, an old man sitting nearby saw him and ran to stop him. "Why did you stop me?" Ethan shouted. "My life means nothing. I can't do anything right." The old man looked at him kindly and said, "Son, life is a gift. As long as you're alive, you can rise again. But if you give up now, you'll never know what you could have become." Ethan said quietly, "I'm shy and weak. Even my father hates me. Does someone like me even deserve to live?" The old man placed a hand on his shoulder and said, "Come with me. Let's find your strength again." They walked to a small house near the beach. "For 3 days," the old man said, "you will do 3 simple tasks. Complete them, and you'll discover who you really are." Ethan nodded slowly, still unsure, but willing to try. On the first day, the old man said, "Go out and speak with 10 strangers. Ask them about their lives and listen." Ethan was scared, but he tried. Some ignored him, some smiled, but he kept going. By evening, he had talked to 10 people and even made a few new friends. On the second day, the old man said, "Today, teach 10 children why clean water is important." Ethan panicked. "I don't know how to teach," he said. The old man smiled. "Just speak from your heart." Nervously, Ethan stood before the children and spoke about how water gives life. To his surprise, they listened. He had done it, and the next time, he spoke a little more confidently. On the third day, the old man said, "Now you must go back to your father and talk to him." Ethan hesitated. "He'll never forgive me." "Do it anyway," said the old man. "Courage means facing pain, not running from it." With trembling hands and a heavy heart, Ethan went home. He looked his father in the eyes and said, "Dad, I'm sorry. I'll work hard and make things right." Robert stared at him for a long moment, then sighed deeply. "All right," he said quietly. "Everyone deserves a second chance." Ethan returned to the old man and asked, "Please tell me, what is the secret to success?" The old man smiled gently. "You've already found it," he said. "Your biggest enemy wasn't your shyness. It was your fear. People see you the way you see yourself. Confidence comes when you believe you are worthy." Tears filled Ethan's eyes. "I understand now," he said softly. "I won't let fear win again." A few years later, The same shy boy became a respected businessman, rebuilding the family salt brand with pride and confidence. He wasn't just selling salt anymore. He was carrying his family's legacy forward. Remember this: confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build through courage and patience. No matter how shy you are, if you believe in yourself, you can become strong. Fear holds you back, but courage moves you forward. Ethan once thought he was born to fail, but when he faced his fear, his whole life changed. The world sees you the way you choose to show yourself. Believe in yourself. Take small steps forward. You'll find strength inside you that you never knew existed. If you like this story, please give it a like and leave a comment so more people can hear it. I'll be back with another inspiring story. Till then, stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.